For how to write cell number in Chinese, like this one. So how you can do that? This is pretty simple and easy. For this, you need to select the cells and then right click and go to the format cell, and under the number you will see that special. You need to click on that, and here is the location. You need to drop down this menu and find Chinese in the list. This is the Chinese, China, and here is the format. For example, I'm selecting this one and click OK, and now type any number and hit enter, and this is what you can see, that you can easily write any cell number into Chinese language. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.